Monitor the biological health of a tiny house septic system with simple, regular checks, so early treatment decline is caught before repairs are needed. Check effluent clarity and odor at the distribution box or outlet. Clear, light-colored effluent with a mild, earthy smell indicates active biological digestion, while cloudy, dark, or foul-smelling effluent suggests solids carryover or anaerobic conditions. Measure settleable solids and scum thickness in the septic tank by probing with a clean stick or using a clear PVC inspection tube. Keep total scum plus sludge less than 1/3 of tank depth and pump if it approaches that threshold. If feasible, record pH and temperature ranges near the outlet once a week for a few weeks. Most septic microbes prefer a pH near 7 and temperatures above 45 degrees Fahrenheit for steady activity, so persistent low pH or cool temperatures warrant corrective actions like reducing acidic inputs or insulating the tank. Watch for surfactant foam or suds in the outlet as an early sign of excessive detergent load, which can strip biofilms and suppress digestion. Reduce concentrated detergents, switch to low phosphate and biodegradable products, and spread laundry loads over several days. If you can, collect a sample every few months for laboratory biological oxygen demand testing or standard plate counts to track trends using a local wastewater lab for actionable numbers rather than single spot readings. Keep simple logs of each check, noting date, household water use that week, and any recent changes in cleaning products so patterns are easy to spot. 3 common mistakes are relying only on visual inspection without simple measurements, assuming no problem because the tank is not overflowing, and treating every odor or foam event as an emergency. Simply looking down a riser misses gradual increases in settleable solids, so probe for scum and sludge depth and log the results. A tank that is not surfacing solids can still be biologically failing, so track effluent clarity and pH over time rather than waiting for backups. Routine foam or odor after heavy washing usually points to detergent pulses, so cut concentration and frequency and reassess before calling for service. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find projects related to septic care and tiny house systems. We also host a discussion community where owners and pros share field tips, test methods, and practical fixes so our members can learn from real experiences.